Hello, welcome to episode 3 of HTML and CSS course. My name is Samuel and I'm one of the instructor.
My name is Ronald and I'm another instructor.
So in episode 2, we go over the basic text structure of HTML, and right now we can start using text editor to type simple code. So go to Google first and then search up Visual Studio code download. And then you'll see this the first link popped up, which is download Visual Studio Code, and just click on it.
Yeah, so after you get here, I would like you to download VS Code. So VS Code is an IDE that can run in Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So you can download it depending on your operating systems. Yeah, so after you download VS Code, you will see the screen. And if you want to start a new file, just click on the New File button. And if you're interested in open existing files, you need to press the Open button.
Okay, so when you start a new file, there's some trick to it. So first, when you can single click a file, and then you open up a. So after you open up a new file, you'll see this screen, and then right here you can see you can select a language. So right here you want to type HTML, and after you select HTML, for you to make a basic template for HTML, you can type doc and then hit enter, or you can use exclamation mark and then hit enter. You also pull out a basic template for HTML, and we'll go over this later. So right here, if you want to type a simple code, you can just type using the tag we introduced in last episode, which is p tag, and then you can type whatever you want, and then this will be a simple code you make.
Yeah, so on the left side of the screen, you can see the activity bar. So currently we are on the Explorer bar. It is the place where you can see our code and projects. And under the Explorer bar, you can see the search bar where you can search for a word in your code. And then next you have the source control, which is to link to your GitHub account. And then the fourth button is debugging button. It is to see where there is any error in the code. And number 5 is extension. You can get convenience features to make your coding experience easier.
So for the extensions, I want you to download an extension called Live Server. So you can search up Live Server here on the search bar and just click on the first one. It's this one, Live Server, and this extension can basically let you see how your website looks while you're typing your code. And after you download, after you save the code, you can directly see how your website looks like and how you're making any change to your website. You can also see your website there. So after you download the Ghost like that extension, which is Live Server, you can try to use it on your code. So when you type like a simple code right here, and don't worry about like if you don't understand it, we'll go over this in the future. And so you can use right here you can see the go live function right here. If you click on it, you can see a window popped up, and you can see the website you just typed. So right here, it's a simple website we just make as an example, with a go live, you can change your code right here, and then you'll automatically change on the website itself. So right here, if I change one of the header to web development, and I go right here, go to the website, you'll also change your web development.
Yeah, so that is all for episode 3. See you next time.